Hola todos, ¿cómo están? Soy Erika. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and for those of you that are new here, I am a professional second languages teacher who teaches Spanish here on YouTube. So if you're wanting to learn the language, I have a bunch of lessons on my channel that I've actually used in the classroom, so feel free to check that out. Pero bueno, hoy vamos a aprender de 50 frases comunes en español para iniciantes. So today we're going to learn about 50 common phrases in Spanish for beginners. So basically, these are phrases that I think are super important if you're new to the language and you just want to get some vocabulary and phrases under your belt. So, yeah, today we're going to talk about saludos y encuentros. So, greetings, salutations, what to say when you first meet someone, algunas cosas de la conversación básico. So, other things like about basic conversation, basic conversation starters. Y para terminar, algunas exclamaciones. So, we're going to talk about some like exclamations and then just some other miscellaneous words that I think are important. Pero bueno, si te gusta el video, por favor, suscríbete. Y bueno, vamos a empezar. Okay, so saludos y despedidas. So greetings and salutations. Okay, en primero, buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Hola. Hello. Encantado de conocerte o conocerle, which is nice to meet you. So conocerte, you would say in an informal setting, and conocerle, you would say in a formal setting. You can also just say encantado or encantada. Hasta luego, that's see you later. So if you're leaving a store, a lot of the times a clerk might say hasta luego, which is see you later. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Adiós, goodbye. Y que tengas un buen día, that's have a good day. Bueno, ahora, ¿cómo estás? Okay, so now we're going to talk about different ways to say how are you and then how to answer that. So, el más básico, ¿cómo estás? How are you? ¿Qué tal? So that's more like how's it going? ¿Qué pasa? That's like what's up. ¿Cómo andas? Again, how's it going? ¿Cómo le va? How's it going? To respond to that, you can say bien, gracias. Like, I'm doing good, I'm well, thank you. Genial is great. Todo bien is like all's well, it's all good. Mal, I'm doing bad. Nada en especial, nothing special. Y después de todo esto, so you can respond with like all these words here. To finish it off, you can say y tú or y usted, and that's just asking and you. So y tú is going to be informal and y usted is going to be for formal settings. Bueno, ahora seguimos a la conversación básico. Okay, so here are just some random sentence starters that I think are important. En primero tenemos me gusta o no me gusta. So that's I like or I don't like. Quiero is I want. ¿Dónde está? So that's where is. Por ejemplo, ¿dónde está el hotel, el hospital, el museo? ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? Necesito is I need. Necesito ayuda is I need help. Hablas is how you say like do you speak. So hablas inglés, hablas español, hablas francés. Por ejemplo, ¿cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? So if you're shopping, ¿cuánto cuesta? Yo voy is I go. Y no lo sé is I don't know. Okay. Ahora a las exclamaciones. Okay. Okay, so enhorabuena or felicitaciones, that's congratulations. Por favor is please. Gracias, thank you. Perdón is excuse me. Vale and dale. So in Spain, I noticed they say vale to say like okay. So if I say quieres ir al supermercado, do you want to go to the supermarket? You might say vale, like okay. And in Argentina, when I was there, I believe they use dale in this sense as well. So instead of vale, they say dale, which is like okay, let's go. Cuídate, be careful. Salud. So that's when you're cheering, like when you're cheering drinks, you can say salud. Or when someone sneezes and you want to say bless you, you also say salud. Alto is like stop. Fuego. So that's like help. Like if you're screaming, help me, you'll say fuego. The direct translation is fire, but like that's how they say like help me, like save me, like you say fuego, okay? Buen provecho is like bon appetit. Espera is wait. Y no entiendo is I don't understand. Y bueno, este fue el video. Espero que han disfrutado. Y bueno, nos vemos en el próximo. Adiós todos.